How to get a free Google Voice phone number. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free Google Voice phone number. So let's get started. If you don't want to use your personal phone number or you don't currently have one, you can create a Google Voice number instead. So here's how to set one up. So you're going to go to voice.google.com to begin. Once the page loads, tap or click the settings icon at the top. You'll see an option indicating that no voice number is currently linked to your account. Select the option to get a new number. Next, you'll be asked to choose a location. So enter a city or any area and Google will generate a list of available numbers in that region. Scroll through the options and pick one you like, then confirm your selection. To activate the number, Google requires a verification step. You'll need to enter an existing phone number to receive a confirmation code. This number is usually used only for verification and call forwarding. Enter the number, request the code, and input it once it arrives. Once everything is finished, you'll have a fully functional Google Voice number that works independently from your personal line. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.